Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can install or set up your AJAX Hub 2 alarm system from start to finish. So first of all, you need to start by selecting the central location inside your property. Then you just have to simply place your AJAX Hub 2 near the power outlet and if possible an Ethernet connection. Now avoid installing it behind any metal objects or inside any cabinet or near the large source of interference, as this can reduce the wireless performance. After doing so, what you need to do is you need to simply remove the smart bracket mounting panel, and then you need to connect the power cable. Then you need to connect the Ethernet cable, and then you need to insert one or two micro SIM cards if you want cellular backup. After doing so, once the installation is completed, you just have to simply press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds until AJAX logo lights up. Then you need to download the AJAX security system application on your phone and you need to create account over here. Now, once you have created your account inside it, what you need to do is you need to simply add your hub. So simply select the option of add hub, scan the QR code which will be located on the hub or packaging, and then follow further setup prompts. Just wait until the hub shows up inside the application. Now you can secure the hub using the included smart bracket installed hardware. Next, you can open the application and then you can add the device. Again, scan the QR code on your detectors, sirens, keypads, and other AJAX devices. And you can give it a name and you can also assign it to the appropriate room. Now, once all the devices are connected, you can just simply run the signal strength test and you can also verify that every detector communicates properly with the hub. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.